Hey, this is Sandy with Leisure Depot. You know, folks get so excited when they come in and buy hot tubs, and we give them so much information at the time of purchase. And when they get home, they don't remember all of this information. So we're doing these short videos to show you how to operate your hot tub. I want to go over the 7-button Bahama Spa's top side, its controls, its features, and its functions. This top side is very interactive. I'm just going to run through real quick. You have the pump function, which mash it, your pumps come on. Pump 2 operates the other part of the hot tub. You have temperature up to increase the water temperature, or temperature down to decrease the water temperature. You set it to what you like. It will heat, filter, and circulate until it reaches the set temperature. When it reaches that set temperature, it would shut off. You also have the economy mode. The economy mode is a simple one-touch button. The economy mode is a super energy efficient mode that will allow the hot tub's filtration to operate, and then it only allows the heater to operate in a designated filter cycle. So as I go through the functions, you'll see your designated filter cycle, and when you're in economy mode, it will only allow the heater to operate in that designated filter cycle. To access the programming, you would push the filter button, and you would press and hold for about 5 seconds. Once in the filter programming mode, you're going to set your time. You must set your time. If you do not set your time, you will not be able to program your filter cycle. To set the time, you would just press the up or down button to set the proper time. Hit the filter button again, that would set your minutes. And now we're going to hit the filter again. This is your filter cycle. FS is filter start. FD is filter duration. FF is filter frequency. And then you have your economy filtration cycle. 1 would be economy on, 0 would be economy off. And then you have economy start, which this would be the time that the economy mode would start. Economy duration is how many hours do you want it to be in economy. And then you can set it to be Fahrenheit or Celsius. Filter start is going to be the time of day that you want your filtration to come on, so that the spa is filtered, circulated, heated if necessary. This feature allows you to dictate, so if you didn't want your filter to come on at 2 o'clock in the morning, it does not have to come on at 2 o'clock in the morning. Filter start, everything would operate in a 12-hour clock. So if you have it, you want your filtration to come on at 5 p.m., the filter start would be FS5, and then it would come on at 5 p.m. and at 5 a.m. because everything operates on a 12-hour cycle. Your filter duration is how many hours do you want it to filter. So filter duration, I always recommend on a brand new hot tub just delivered, put it on the 3, 4, or 5. This will give you 3 hours of filtration twice a day, which equals 6 hours total. Your frequency could be 1 time a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day, depending on your usage, and your bather load would dictate how often the filter would need to come on. And then obviously you have your economy on or off. You also have your simple one-touch button instead of going through the programming mode. Economy start would operate in that same 12-hour cycle. The economy duration is the same thing. How many hours do you want it to be in economy? And then you have the Fahrenheit. If you didn't do anything, it would automatically time out and go back to reading the time of day and the temperature display. From there you have the light program. The light program is also interactive. This allows you to scroll through. You can lock it in on a specific color, or you can have it go through a slow color changing progression. You would always go to the second red light to activate the progressive color change. Right now this is on the slow color changing progression. It will go through the different colors, fading naturally from one color to the next. If you turn it off and turn it off and on again, then you get the disco lights, which is the quick flash. One more time, this should actually allow us to go through the solid colors and choose what color we actually like with just the solid, steady main colors. I like the blue. This has been the Bahama Spa's 7-button topside tutorial. Now you see how easy it is to operate your hot tub. We'd love to see you in the store. Come on in anytime. We'll be glad to help you out. Remember, we have all the fun, so come and get yours.
We have all the fun.